Hello everyone, welcome to my new PYPX video. Today, I will be looking at my forms, essentially, and looking at the results, whether they be unexpected or expected or whatever. So, let's get started. Let's look at my first form, PYPX Space-Time History Future and how we will survive in the future of space-time form. So, let's look at the responses. Question number 1, do you enjoy learning about space? As expected, everyone enjoys learning about space. That's actually really expected. Now, should world governments spend more on space exploration? I'd say most say yes, because, well, it doesn't look like there's much progress to a normal person, even though there is a lot of progress, but, yeah, so as expected. How important is it to learn about space? As you can see, most of the answers and responses are very on the high end, really. They're on the high end. In the sense that we're saying it's super important, not super non-important like one person says. Now, next one is, do you think most people know enough about space? Everyone says no, so again, quite nerdy audience. And question number 5, do you think we should try to contact alien civilizations if we can? Surprisingly, most people said yes, even though I thought most people would be afraid, like, what if they ended us? So that's the one surprising thing about the survey. Most people said yes. Okay, next survey. PYPX Space Civilization Survey. Now, this only have 5 responses. So, when do you think humanity will become a Type 1 civilization? Controls over our planet's energy. 40 years. Absolutely nobody. 100 years. 1%. Okay, that's unexpected. 200 years. 1%. Again, that's kind of unexpected. The most unexpected thing is that people said we will go extinct before we manage to, reach the point of Type 1 civilization, which we are meant to reach in like 50 years. We're meant to reach that time, or around 50 years, 100 years. So yeah, everyone's kind of a pessimist here, that's good to know. And one person said now, between now and 40 years, which is mildly optimistic, you gotta say. Yeah. Okay, question number 2. When do you think we'll become a Type 2 civilization? Controls over all of our solar system's energy. 1,000 years. 1,300 plus years. 900 years, all have nothing. Earlier than 900 years, so we gotta have a little bit of optimists. And of course, pessimist gang over here with 3 people saying never reach, we'll just die. Pessimist gang, I wonder how bad it will be on the third Type 3 civilization. So when do you think we'll become a Type 3 civilization? Again, pessimists. 1 person said other. The rest said it's either impossible because we can't know when we have the entire galaxy under our control due to the fact that we can't have, we can't be any interstellar speed. That's another whole thing, actually. And never will go extinct, so pessimist gang, yay! Okay, next form. This is the newest one. So question 1, what would you rate this amazing YouTube channel? 3.2 average rating. Next, what is the main reason for my rating? Now, let's just, more details, I think. Yep. I can't watch it because I don't have VPN, oh. Chinese censorship song. Google Chinese censorship song. It's really good. I give 3 stars because I don't think it's very... You know it's interesting, right? I gave 2 stars. I don't feel very interested. Oh, here, a nice guy. Explains a lot about space. And 4 stars because he make very many videos. So we have proven it. Quantity over quality. We have proven it. We have proven Next one, and the last one. What are the most important priorities in teaching about space? Apparently, the further back it is, the more important it is, because it starts with the most important, how it began, then our situation, and then the end of history. So, I suppose, yeah, the earlier it is, the more important it is. Kind of good to know. Then, other is the least chosen, obviously, and explain as much as I can. So, yeah, most people care about the history of space rather than, well, the complicated bits of space. Okay, I think that's it.